kind of things do God want the world to see in us?
Love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness,
And
self-control.
all right, let's go to Him in prayer.
Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven.
Give
Give us this day our daily bread,
and
forgive
us
us
our
our sins
as
we
forgive those who sin against us, and lead us
us not into temptation,
but
deliver us
from
evil.
for the kingdom and the
power
and the
glory
are
yours
forever
forever and ever.
and